Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to create a Python file which takes input from the user and gives area and perimeter of a parallelogram as an output. I am taking 3 inputs, height, base and side according to this picture. Now open any code editor and in first line type define parallelogram and empty brackets. Next side equals float brackets input in brackets side equals and then base equals float in brackets input and base. Then height equals float input height. In first line type print welcome to parallelogram. And now I have to calculate area. So area is equals to product of base and height, and then perimeter equals 2 of sum of side and base. Now we need to print this, so print area equals variable area comma square units, as area will be measured in square units. And the final one is perimeter. Print perimeter equals comma variable perimeter, and perimeter is measured in units, so units. And here I have while loop to repeat this program, and that's it. Our program is completed. Let's test it. So it says welcome to parallelogram.py, and side I'm entering side something as 4, 9 and 7. So it shows area and perimeter. These are correct. You can check it and Google even. Exit. That's it guys. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos.